What is the highest altitude a fighter jet has ever reached? Fighter jets typically fly between 50,000 and 60,000 feet. This limitation is due to their engines and design, which aren't optimized for higher altitudes, as such heights aren't needed for most combat missions. However, the highest altitude ever reached by a fighter jet is around 123,520 feet, achieved by the Soviet MiG-25 Foxbat in 1977. This record-breaking flight demonstrated the jet's exceptional capabilities, which were specifically designed for high-altitude interception. Modern-day jets, like the MiG-31, follow this legacy, but focus more on operational efficiency within their optimal altitude range. What do you think?